Okay, language explorers. Let's have a look at today's Monday noun. So, day. How cool is that? A 24-hour period of time. A whole day. Day. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. A day. This is my day. This is my day. Today, well, the day, today is Monday. Oh, there we are, Monday. This is the first day of winter, perhaps? Winter? First day, yeah. Those were the days. We have day, singular, and days with an S, plural. Yeah. The rules these days are different compared to back then. Yeah, things have changed. Things have changed since then. Things have changed since then. Yeah. So every day is a chance. Well, okay. Each day is a chance to improve and be better. Each day is a blessing in a sense of opportunity. I'm getting ahead of myself. So, it happened on the same day. Let's change that. On the same day as that. So those things happened on the same day. Those things happened on the same day. See, those things happened on the same day. Those two things happened on Monday. The same day. It happened on a different day. Simple as that. Yeah. So today is the day we get the results. So we'll get the results today. Sometime today I will get the results. Today is results day. The data, the results, the answers. Yeah. This is, well, okay. Some days I need to just record videos and nothing else. Some days, not day, days. Yeah. And one day in the future, things will change. Yes. I'm sure that things will change one day. Yes. She hopes that things tomorrow, well, I think tomorrow will change. Yeah. She does not like things as they are today, on this day. Yeah. Makes sense. So maybe, one day in the future, the rules will be different. Yeah, it's possible. We will have to wait and see. We'll have to wait and see. Yeah. On a day-by-day basis, we'll have to wait and see. On a day-by-day basis, we will have to wait and see. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So, day, 24-hour period. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So, can you use day in a sentence? In a sentence, can you? So write it in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel. More videos to come. You can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Just search English with Adrian. Yeah. And you can find me on Udemy too. Just search Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, Language Explorers? Yeah. Let's keep exploring.